Welcome back to the TV1 Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to be looking at one of our new active optical cables. This is the DisplayPort version, so it's DisplayPort 1.4, so it's 8K capable. It's a great little product. It's had good reviews so far when we've been out to trade shows. Let me just show you how it comes. So this is the unit. It comes on a reel. It comes in 10 different distances from 10 meters up to 100 meters. As you can see, this reel has got 4 lengths. I've chosen 30 meters, which is the length I need at the moment for what I'm doing with. And it's a great little unit. We class it as part of our extension range. First thing you notice is it comes on a reel. Now this is really useful when you're doing installs. Last thing you want to do is the cable to fall out of a plastic bag all over the floor and then being able to install it easily. So with this product, you'll notice it comes with some protection around it. This is my initial piece of protection, and then this is the cable. Now it's fibre inside with copper to provide the power from end to end. You can see that the ends are labelled source and display, come with protector caps, so then you can get to the DisplayPort connectors. It's fibre, but it's really robust. So in tests, we've been tying it up in knots. We've been doing all sorts of tests, including getting the cable really hot. But going back to the drum, put this on your install trolley, pull it out, and it's a dream. So this is our DisplayPort active optical cable, and if you want to find out more, look at our website. So our website address is www.tv1.com. Thanks for watching now. Bye bye.